folks, this is Rich from Western Appliance Repair, and this washer here, it's an LG front load washer, and the problem with this washer is it wouldn't power up. Now, first thing we're going to look at when this thing doesn't power up is you want to find your outlet, which would be right here, one of the other outlets, and it could be on the back of the wall in the back there, but you want to find the one with the reset button, and that's the one you want to check out, and you want to hit the reset and make sure that's not tripped. And once again, this is Rich from Western Appliance Repair. Thanks.